How to fix Tales of the Shire, The Lord of the Rings game crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to the library, right click on the game and open up the properties window. Under launch options you want to type -dx11 like you see it here. And then you want to go to the installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files and wait for this process as it might take a while. Once it's done, you want to click on the browse button, find the game's exe file, open up the properties window, and then go to the compatibility tab and check disable full screen optimization and run this program as admin. Then apply and OK. Now you can close this window and close Steam, and then open up your GPU app where you can download updates or check for updates, and then go to the drivers section. Check for updates and make sure to download and install the latest GeForce Game Ready driver for NVIDIA users. And once you finish installing the drivers, you should simply restart your system and then open up Steam as administrator like this. And then simply launch the game, and that should fix the crashing issues. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.